I traded in the G80 for this. Just kidding. They just finished this, so he's about to drop it off, but. Yeah, bro, that thing sounds so good. As you can tell, we're here at Rod Speed. Again, we are finally installing the 4-inch mid-pipe, technically called the IRL Modular Midpipe V2. It is 4-inch, so this thing is about to sound crazy. I already know, because the mad 4-inch that Dini and Patrick I put on sound crazy too. So this is the IRL one. So I'm super excited to have it on, guys. We're waiting for the exhaust to cool off so that we can install it. And then I think in this video, I'm gonna give you everything. I'm gonna give you the in-car sounds, some on the highway as well, so you guys can hear it and you don't have to wait for another video. I'll just drop it all here, guys. Bro, if my dad sees this right now, he would be in love. I know he's watching this video, so mira pa. My dad had like 2 of these back in the day. I wish he would have kept it, man. Maybe we'll find one again and we'll gift it to him. So make sure you guys support the channel. Jeez, look at that. Oh my goodness. And this thing is like an 89, bro. And look at the body lines on this. It's in great condition. But yeah, guys, make sure you like this video. Helps this small channel grow, and I just want to give back, and this thing is so freaking good. Super nostalgic right here. Yo, we got a CS with the Dini tips. That's crazy. Dini started a movement, guys. This thing is all apart. Definitely got some crazy things coming, I'm assuming. Take a look around, man. The CS is so hard, bro. Love these seats, bro. This looks so good. And I didn't like the signal green before, but damn, he's got the bumper off, got the lip off. I didn't like the signal green before, but it just suits the car so well. Got the mad intakes, it looks like. Oh, that shit's in Finland, okay. Damn. And one of my favorite parts of this car is definitely the hood. With the carbon hood, looks so good. Damn, Chevy truck sounds nuts. I don't know how this is gonna get better, bro. I love the way this sounds already. So here we have the modular 4-inch. This is what comes out of the downpipes right here. It goes into this megaphone piece and then down to this single mid pipe right here that splits off to the axle back, guys. This thing is freaking ginormous. So I'm super excited to see what this sounds like for sure. And then this is a modular mid pipe. This is the dump. Get the car up, take a look under. I've only had this exhaust for 2 months, I think. So we're gonna see, man, what difference that makes. I'm super excited. Here's the mid pipe that we installed about 2 months ago. It's gonna go up to here. So it doesn't go all the way back here. It goes up to here. We're gonna reuse those pipes right there. Guys, here's the mid pipe that I had on before, the 3.5, and here's the 4-inch. There's a little side by side so you guys can see the difference. From here, it goes to this big guy. I think it goes this way. Yeah, this thing is freaking ginormous. So you guys can see the 1/2-inch definitely makes a big difference. So we're gonna see if it makes a difference on the sound. We're going down now. You know what time it is. We are about to hear the first startup. I cannot wait. Here we go, here we go. This is about. Suena más limpio. Here's valves closed. That sounds good. Damn. Sport Plus with valves open. Oh my goodness. I gotta hear this thing under load. Sport Plus with the valves closed. Oh yeah. Oh, yo, it does sound different. Now that I stepped away a little bit further, it sounds deeper for sure. Oh man, this is good. Oh my goodness, guys. You can hear the intakes too. Oof. As a half-inch made it sound a little bit deeper, cleaner sound too on the higher revs. We're about to, you could hear that thing, man. It sounds so good. We're gonna take it on the street in a little bit. We're gonna do some pulls so you guys can hear it on the road. And then after that, I'm gonna do some in-car sounds so you guys can hear valves open, valves closed, all of that. Shout out IRL. Again, you guys killed it. Damn, bro, she's looking freaking mean too. My Lord, that sounds freaking crazy. Let me stop talking, let me turn the camera around. Sounds so freaking good, guys. I don't care what y'all tell me. You can hear some turbo spool too. IRL just brings a smile to my face, bro, every single time, man. They outdo themselves every single time, which is crazy. Honest review, bro, from you.
Honestly, I like how deep the tone is. Sounds nice as fuck, doesn't sound raspy at all. And honestly, just pairs up really well with the Catted Downpipes.
Thank you, bro. Yeah. And I remember you're like, why'd you get catted?
We don't want the raspiness in 2025.
Yeah.
We want deeper tone G80.
And even if we tune it, like,
oh, 100%.
It'll be fun.
You're still making juice, you know?
Yeah.
Not everybody has to get a single turbo, you know? We got better things than to spend money, like GT3s.
Damn, he's talking to me, bro. Maybe I can't get a single turbo now. We're still gonna do it. That's it for the install. Right now, I'm about to hop in the car. I got the camera set up in the back, and I also got the mic right here so you guys can hear some of the exterior exhaust sounds. And then I think I'm gonna turn it off and let you guys hear the inside, and you guys let me know what you think. Guys, we found Deanie. We ran into the boy. I'm gonna drive together a little bit so you guys can hear some of the exhaust. Here we go, fellas. Sounds good, bro?
Really, really good.
Yeah. Yeah, and I was hitting red line on that. Yeah. I was kind of skating a little bit. It was a little dusty back there. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Let's hear that one. Rev yours. For the can, for the can. Yes, sir. 4-inch gang. 3,000? Yeah. Yeah, mine's a little quieter for sure. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna have to do, you know what we gotta do? Get all the different exhaust setups and put them next to each other. Yeah. Really happy with this exhaust setup for sure. You guys here with the valves open Sport Plus, this thing is a beast. And I don't know if it's placebo effect, but the car feels a little faster. I'm not gonna lie. It feels a little bit more responsive, maybe because it has more airflow. You guys let me know what you think. I'm really excited with this, man. I thought I was happy with the previous setup. I'm still happy and a little bit happier with this one for sure. Hope you guys are enjoying those sounds, man. Now I got the in-car, I took the mic off the back of the car so you guys can hear it. Right now I'm in 6th gear, chilling around 3,000 RPM. Let me shut up, do a quick little pull so you guys can hear it. Valves open, Sports Plus. Sounds so freaking good, guys. This sounds so good. And now I'm gonna turn off the valves. And you're back to stock. It's magic. It's like magic, guys. See? Downshifting. Literally so quiet. I think it's quieter than before. Than with my 3.5 inch. I'm not even gonna lie. Guys, it is freaking super hot outside. Summer has officially started. I'm announcing it today. Let me know what you guys think about this exhaust. IRL, thank you guys again for sending over this 4-inch modular mid-pipe. Super excited. It sounds freaking amazing. But I want to hear from you guys what you guys think for sure. Make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.